Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to start your own first project in Asana. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works for you too and it is easy as it is for me. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do is enter the Asana program. If you do not know how to download the program and create your account, you can look at our other video where we teach you how to get started with the program and setting it up. So anyways guys, after you have done that, you will be greeted by this main page of the Asana program. As you can see here guys, we are currently at the home page, while we have other options such as my tasks and inbox where we can see our other options. Currently this is the only option that we will need. So guys, while sitting on the home page, if you take a look at the left side of the screen, you will see that here we can see our workspace with our projects and the people that we have. So the first thing you want to do guys is invite other people that you need on the project to your Asana workspace. So you can do that by clicking on the invite people button right here. After clicking that, you will want to enter their email addresses. You can choose the starting project if you have already created one. If not, just this will be empty or empty it out. So enter their emails and click send, and then you will invite people. And they will show up here, as you can see, as your colleagues and work in your workspace. So anyways guys, to create your own first project, you will want to go in the upper left corner where you can see the big plus button with the create option on it. So click on this right here. Here guys, you will have the option on inviting people, creating a message to send one to one of your colleagues, or creating a task inside a project, or creating a project. For today's tutorial, we will want to click create a project. So go ahead and click on the project right here. As you can see here guys, now we are greeted by the options that we want to do. Do you want to import a spreadsheet, or do we want to use a template already created, or do we want a blank project? So let's say we want a blank project starting from scratch. Here, after selecting that, you'll be greeted by this page where you can enter the details of your project. So let's say the project name is tutorial. You can set it to private or to public. Let's say we want to set it to public so all of our colleagues can see it. You can choose what kind of view you want. For me, you can either choose timeline, calendar, or ways, depending on what you need and what kind of project you're running. But for me today, let's say we need a board and it is the best looking option for us. So yeah, after selecting all of the options that we need, you will want to click on continue, and it will bring you back to this page. In this page right here, you will be greeted by options such as start adding tasks. You can share with teammates or set up your workflow, depending on what you need and what option you need to use. So let's say that we just want to go to options and go to your project and start adding tasks. Let's go to project, and you can see guys, now we will be greeted by this project page showing us the project that we made. If you look at the left screen, you will see all the projects that you have. Now currently we are on our create project, so let's create a task. You can do that either clicking on this option right here to create your first task, or clicking the plus button, clicking on task, and creating an option inside the project. So yeah guys, let's say we are creating a task. Let's go plus create your task name. Let's say that this is creating a tutorial. You can choose who it is from. You can choose your collaborators by clicking the plus sign here and adding the teammates that you just added a while ago. So set your description, set the goal that you want. Let's say we want to create a tutorial for everybody to use. You can choose in project that you want. Let's say this is a project that we just created, creating it in the project that we just created. You can choose the description. You can add files or calendars or anything that you need. And yeah guys, that's how you do it. After you're done, just click on the create task button in the lower bottom corner. Clicking create task, you can see guys, now we have created a new task called creating tutorial. Here you can add people, assign this task to someone. Let's say we want to assign it to one of our colleagues. Clicking on them, now they have assigned this task to them, and they will see the task in their tasks that they have to do for this week. So guys, that's basically how to create a basic project. Here you have multiple options to see, like overview list. You can see all of the options that you need, timeline for when you have done something, your board for seeing all the tasks in the project. You can easily change amongst projects, multiple that you have made. So guys, creating more projects you have to do in progress, complete, depending on what you want. You can add more sections depending on what you need currently for a project. So guys, that's basically how you do it. You can go around and explore all the options that you have. If there's something that you do not understand, leave it in the comments and we'll create a video explaining it to you. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. If it was, leave a subscribe and a like on the video. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.